The best method to clean a ceramic-coated vehicle. Cleaning a ceramic-coated vehicle can be a bit tricky, but with the right method, you can keep your car looking brand new. Today we're going to show you the best way to do it. First, you'll need a high-quality pH-neutral car shampoo that's safe for ceramic coatings. Avoid using any harsh chemicals or abrasive materials. Next, use a microfiber wash mitt to gently clean the surface of your car. Make sure to rinse the mitt frequently to avoid scratching the paint. After washing, rinse the car thoroughly with clean water. It's important to remove all soap residue to prevent water spots. Now dry the car using a microfiber drying towel. Be gentle and avoid rubbing too hard to protect the ceramic coating. For added protection, you can use a ceramic coating maintenance spray. This will help to enhance the shine and prolong the life of the coating. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can keep your ceramic-coated vehicle looking its best. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips by Laguna Auto Detailing.